Post-colonial and Marcos era. During the Marcos era, the Philippines witnessed significant advancements and initiatives in science and technology. President Ferdinand Marcos placed a strong emphasis on the importance of science and technology for national development. Here are some key developments and initiatives that took place during his presidency. 1973 Philippine Constitution. Under the amended 1973 Philippine Constitution, Marcos declared that the advancement of science and technology would have priority in national development. This constitutional provision underscored the significance of science and technology for the country's progress. Promotion of science education. President Marcos recognized the importance of science education and directed the Department of Education to revitalize science courses in public high schools. This effort aimed to equip students with a strong foundation in science. Support for research and development. Throughout his presidency, Marcos channeled additional funds to support projects in applied sciences, technology, and science education. This support aimed to encourage research and development in various scientific fields. Establishment of scientific institutions. Marcos established and strengthened several scientific institutions to promote research and development. Notable institutions include the National Science Development Board, NSDB, Philippine Coconut Research Institute, Philippine Textile Research Institute, and the Philippine National Oil Company. Focus on specialized fields. Marcos initiated projects and institutions focusing on specific scientific fields such as agriculture, energy, and geology. Examples include the Philippine Council for Agricultural Research, National Committee on Geological Sciences, and the National Grains Authority. Health and medical advances. The Lung Center of the Philippines and the Philippine Heart Center of Asia were established under Marcos administration to address specialized healthcare needs related to lung and heart diseases. Infrastructure projects. Marcos oversaw the construction of various infrastructure projects with scientific and technological significance. These included the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant, though it was never fueled, San Juanico Bridge, and the Folk Arts Theater. Support for intellectual property. Marcos enacted Presidential Decree No. 49 in 1972, which provided details on the protection of intellectual property rights for creators and publishers. This demonstrated his commitment to fostering innovation. National Academy of Science and Technology. In 1976, Marcos established the National Academy of Science and Technology through Presidential Decree No. 1003A. This body recognized and honored Filipino scientists for their contributions to science and technology. Promotion of international collaboration. Marcos initiated the Balik Scientist Program in 1975 to encourage Filipino scientists abroad to return and contribute to the country's scientific progress. Cultural and arts centers. Marcos' administration oversaw the establishment of cultural and arts centers such as the Cultural Center of the Philippines, CCP, and the Philippine International Convention Center, PICC. Legacy of infrastructure. Many of the institutions, centers, and projects established during the Marcos era continue to have a lasting impact on science, technology, culture, and infrastructure in the Philippines. Despite the achievements and initiatives, it's important to note that the Marcos era was also marked by controversy, including allegations of human rights abuses and corruption. While there were advancements in science and technology, they occurred within a broader political and social context.